everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rampetina channel. I just actually changed the name to Rampetina Crochet here on YouTube because I feel like it needed crochet in the name. I don't know why I hadn't done it before, but now it's finally Rampetina Crochet, but I'm still gonna call it like the Rampetina channel. But yeah, I feel like it will be easier to find, and now you know what the channel is all about. And also, if I want to do like a gaming channel in the future, then I can call it Rampetina Gaming. I'm getting too excited because yeah, I love playing video games. I also love playing board games, so it would be really cool to kind of have a gaming channel where it's not just video games but board games too, because that's just like one of my interests and one of my hobbies. But yeah, that's not... Anyway, that was a long intro about the new name. Yeah, so we're doing a weekly vlog to work on some things because there's a lot of stuff that I have just abandoned yet again. Like the patchwork jumper that I showed in my last video. Yeah, that must have been a month ago when I actually made all those granny squares, and I just need to sew them all together now. Well, I don't know how I'm going to sew them, so we'll figure it out in this vlog. I don't know if I want to crochet them together or actually sew. I don't know, we have to figure out, and we've got to figure out where all the squares should go so it looks cool. I think I have some photos on my phone of like how I kind of wanted their layout to look. So yeah, we're going to be working on that this week. Hopefully finish off the hexagon cardigan as well. That was another project I showed in my last video. Yes, oh, I actually filmed it, perfect, so I can actually use the footage in this video. That's good. So I was thinking ahead. See, that was the 3rd of August. But no, I think at that point I had only done 8 squares. So yeah, just mainly finishing off that jumper, and I actually want to get it finished so I can wear it and it's no longer a WIP. Finish the cardigan as well, same deal. Want to finish it, actually get it done so I can wear it. So those are the 2 big projects this week that I need to get done. And then hopefully next week I'll be wearing them. That'd be so cool. And then I really need to get back into my mood flowers and start regularly doing them every day, because like I said in my last video, I am very behind. The last flower was on the 27th of July, and today is Wednesday the 15th of September, so almost 2 months now we're behind, but that's fine. They're such small flowers and they take, you know, 7 minutes each to make, so I need to just sit down and do those. So yeah, that's the main 3 things this week. Finish off the patchwork jumper, finish off the cardigan, and get back into the mood flowers, and then I can finally show my 2 monthly themed projects to the Discord. They haven't seen it, so yeah. And then I think, because I'm thinking ahead, I've got these vests to do too. I will definitely work on that orange vest next week. Oh, also I feel like I should mention my hair, because the last time you guys saw my real hair, so wearing no wig, it was like maybe this short. It's quite hard to demonstrate. So this is my real hair. This is how much it's grown. And then I have tape-in extensions at the moment, so that's why, yeah, because obviously my hair hasn't grown all the way down to here. Yeah, I wonder if I can show you. Well, you can see like here, there you go, there's my real hair. But yeah, it's pretty long now. Ooh, let's do this patchwork sweater. I don't know how I'm gonna put it together, and I kind of want a big space to lay it all out so I can see it. Wish it was still sunny and dry outside, because then I would sit outside, lay it all down, put a hello? I can put a picnic blanket down, not a basket. I'm not gonna sit on a basket. Oh my gosh, what am I talking about? Okay. I could put a picnic blanket down, put the project on top, and then just like go from there, but I think it's pretty wet outside at the moment. It's quite sunny, but there are some dark clouds, and yeah, it's probably wet. So, and there's loads of spiders in the garden too. So let's not do that, let's just try and use the desk. I don't know, I kind of feel like doing some mood flowers now just so I can get my head around doing those again, because I feel like I need a little bit of practice before I go on live stream, because that's what happened last time when I hadn't done mood flowers for ages. I jumped into a live stream and I was like, guys, I can't remember how to make these. Does anyone else? Can someone tell me how to make these? And I think I had to literally go on my pattern, like on my video description, to figure out how to make them again. No, I can remember how to do them. But yeah, I feel like doing those now. I keep putting off these big projects. This is what I'm doing. Because like the flowers is just a tiny little flower. So I didn't end up working on this patchwork jumper yesterday. It's the next day and I am actually going to do it now. I've laid it out on my desk one side. I think this will be the front of the jumper, so I've got 8 squares here, and then the other 8 I've sorted out over there on the other side of the craft room. And you'll see that later on. And this yarn I have the most of out of all of these yarns, so I'm going to use this yarn to join. Don't know how that's going to look, hopefully it looks cool. Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't look too busy, but maybe we'll do like an invisible join or something. I still don't know. I'm going to have to experiment. Here you can see how I worked out how many squares I needed to do. So I got one of my favourite cropped jumpers to work out the size I want it. Obviously it doesn't match up to the length of the sleeves, like right up into the cuffs. So I'm going to have to add a few rows once it's all joined together, but I'm going to try it on first because maybe it will look slightly different. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I think the very first thing I tried out is what I'm going to go with. I think that looks really, really cool. I wonder if I can zoom in. Yeah. Yeah, you can see like the stitches here. It looks really nice with the variegated yarn because it's like a nice gradient and I feel like it's quite subtle. And yeah, it's literally just single crochets with the right sides of the squares facing each other. So I crocheted it like this. I finished the jumper! Yay! I love how it turned out. I'm having to stand back here to show you the whole thing. So yeah, this is the front and then this is the back. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. Yeah, I decided to not do any cuffs in the end and just leave them as these like big wide sleeves that are quite short, but it's good because I have my hands to like do things. But yeah, I really love it. What do you guys think? It's super colourful and crazy. But yeah, I really like how this jumper has turned out using a big hook because it doesn't feel so heavy and thick and like claustrophobic. It's really nice and airy. Also because I made it oversized, so it just feels very like flowy. It's very boho hippie. I was not expecting it to look like this on, but I'm really happy with it. So this is the end of this weekly vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what you've been working on this week or any new exciting projects that you're going to be starting soon. So I started this weekly vlog on a Wednesday, which meant I could only really film like half of the week. So next week I'm going to start tomorrow, well on Monday. But yeah, please leave me suggestions what you'd like to see in these weekly crochet vlogs. I found making this video really motivating to get these WIP projects done finally, and I really enjoyed the editing process of these weekly crochet vlogs. So I'm really excited to start again tomorrow on Monday. Anyway, hope you're all having a lovely day, happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!